James Carpenter with Country Living. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. Alright, the project we're working on today is a little bit of driveway maintenance. Here I'm switching out took the forks off and I'm putting the bucket on. And I've got a product called Slag. Let's talk a little bit about slag. Alright, slag is a byproduct of molting down metal. It's the stuff that floats to the top. There's a factory that does this in Marion, Ohio, and the slag material goes from that factory to a yard where they crush it and turn it into this stone, and you can get it in various sizes. This just happens to be one of their smaller sizes. Down to dust is what they call it. Now, since I started using this slag on the driveway, my driveway maintenance has went down to little to no maintenance required. I do run a business, and when the driveway was just gravel, every year I had to put tons and tons of more gravel in there, because there's something about gravel driveways where it seems like this muddy stuff kind of floats to the top. Now with the slag, as you can see, this is the slag driveway I'm going down now. That has an excellent gravel base underneath, but since I found out about slag and started using slag, it's made a tremendous difference in the upkeep of the driveway. Now, one characteristic about the slag is where the tire marks are from the cars going in and out, it just packs and packs and packs. And what happens is you'll see it hardening up. It looks almost like asphalt close up. And the guy that told me about the slag, he's been using it for years. He says that it hardens up so bad that when it comes time to dig a ditch or something through it, you need like a backhoe or something to break through, and it comes up in big chunks. This little spot that I'm repairing here is where the snowplow went through, and the edge of the blade basically pulled all the gravel out of that area and turned it into a muddy spot. So I'm going to fill it in and take care of that. Now that slag is heavier. It seems to be heavier than gravel, so it's hard to get a huge bucket load because of the weight. I'll use the bucket now to basically back drag over top of this spot, and what it does is it levels it out. Alright, my cameraman's going to show you the results. I've got another bucket load here. You can't see it clearly in the video, but there's right there where the tractor's setting and where I'm starting to dump, all that area right there was, it had a wet look to it. So I just put just a tiny bit of the I call it black gold. It's actually slag, but stuff's like gold. It's a precious metal, to say the least, in my eyes. So we're back dragging this little spot, and you can see how quickly you can do a repair on a driveway by just putting some gravel down, back dragging like I'm doing here. Turns out pretty nice, a lot quicker than a rake, I can tell you that. Alright, we're going to get us another load. You can see that this little tiny pile is all that's left from the last 2 loads I got. When I get a load, it's 20 tons. So I've had several loads over the years, but them last 2 loads are down to that little pile that you see right here. Now I'm going out to the main driveway, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put what I call just a dress coat, just adding just a little bit more gravel. My intentions is to have that stuff continue to pack and get this driveway to a point where it will never need maintenance. I mean, I used to fight potholes every year, the mud. You know, you're running out of repair business. You got people driving in here with classy cars. They don't want to drive down a muddy driveway. We're nearing the end of the video, so I wanted to take a couple minutes and let you know that I appreciate you watching my videos. I hope they're informative. If you have access to black gold or slag, I highly recommend it. Other than that, I want you to enjoy your day or your evening or whatever time it may be when you're watching this video. Thank you.